Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Dynokids. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is on brain boosting number recognition. So in this video particularly you'll find how you can introduce numbers in a creative way, which in turn helps the child to improve concentration and think logically towards it. So in this worksheet, I had drawn some circles here of different colors and written number 1 to 4, as you could see, like 1, 2, 3, and 4. So like this I have written. You can customize this worksheet as per your child's age group, as by reducing the number of circles here. You can use only 2 circles or you can use 3 circles here as per your own convenience. So to do this activity, I have made some dice numbers as well, as you could see. Now 3 circles represent number 3 here, and 4 circles represent number 4. 2 circles represent number 2, and to make these dice numbers here, I have used a thick sheet or cardboard, and also I have secured them with a transparent tape so that child can use them multiple times without any spoiling. So now let's start and see how to do this worksheet. For example, if I take this one, and this one circle represent number 1 and the color is orange, so this will come under number 1 and in front of the orange color like this. So if I take the next one, which comes out to be a blue color with 4 circles represent number 4, so we will ask the child to count these circles first. So here it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then we will ask him to put them at its proper place under 4 in front of blue color like this. Now we will take the next one, which comes out to be a green one like this. So here there are 2 circles and color is green, so we will ask the child to count the circles and then put it at its position under 2 and in front of green color. So like this you can ask your child to complete this worksheet using all the numbers, and this activity is best for child's brain boosting and visual perception. Also, you can introduce dominoes as well to him. So this activity is of multiple use, like this increase logical thinking, visual perception, brain boosting, strengthening number recognition, revising his color concepts, helps him to think out of the box. So I always recommend to introduce this type of activity in their daily routine along with their daily practice worksheets. And now let's see how Amish is performing this activity. If you find this video helpful, then please like, and if you tried this worksheet with your child, then please share your feedback in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.